name is Voodoo, aka Tay, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be doing this GLAM black and pink ombre halo eye looking thing. It was a lot easier than I thought. This is the first time I've done something like this and I really like the outcome. Now throughout this entire video I'll be doing a voiceover explaining each and every step I do to achieve this look, only because I can't exactly brain right now and think of the methods from the top of my head. So I think it'll be easier if I just do a voiceover. So if you want to learn how to do this thingamabob, continue watching. So today I'm using my Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to apply this neon pink colour to my upper lid using my MAC 217 eyeshadow brush. I'm using this as my transition colour, so I'll be applying it along my upper crease just below my eyeshadow. Then I'm taking this dark pink colour from my Morphe 35B palette and the same 217 brush. I'm going to lightly apply this just below the neon pink colour. To darken things up, I'm going to lightly apply the black from the 35B palette onto the very crease of my eye. Now I'm only applying small amounts of this because if I go in with a full brush, I could ruin the look with the darkness and harsh lines, so I'm subtly applying bit by bit and blending it out as I go. Once I'm satisfied with my upper crease, I'm going to cut it using my MAC Prolongwear concealer in NW15. Now I'm using a small eyeshadow brush to apply it along my upper lash line. I look up while the product is still saturated and look all over the room. When I look down, it gives me a rough outline to cut my crease. I'm then going to apply some more concealer along those lines to tighten them up and make them perfect. Once I've done my outline, I'm going to take a Q-tip, some Garnier cleansing water and remove the makeup from the centre of my lid so I have a clean canvas to work with and I'm not layering on too much makeup. Then taking my small Inglot 20p brush, I'm going to darken the edge where the eyeshadow and concealer meet to give it a bit more depth and definition. Then I'll be going over it with my 217 brush to even out the harsh lines. After that, I'm going to take my Prolongwear concealer again and fill in my lid with a small flat eyeshadow brush. Then I'll be buffing out the product with a big fluffy eyeshadow brush so the concealer is nice and even. While the concealer is still a bit sticky, I'm going to go back to the neon pink colour from the 35B palette and pat the colour onto the corners of my eyes, making sure I leave some space in the middle of my lid. Then I'm going to use the dark pink colour and apply that on top of the neon pink using a small rounded eyeshadow brush to make it more bold. After that, I'm going to apply some black eyeshadow to the outer corners of my eyes and gently blend it in with the pink colour I just applied. Then I'm going to go over my crease with the black to deepen the colour a bit so there's a definite line. Next, I'm going to apply this pink metallic shimmery colour from the 35B palette to the centre of my lid and I'm going to gently blend it into the pink. Then I'm going to apply that same colour just below my eyebrows to highlight the shape. Now that my shadow is all done, I'm going to apply a bold winged eyeliner across my upper lash line using my liquid liner pen by PONi Cosmetics. I'm then taking my Rimmel London Scandaleyes mascara and applying them to my eyelashes. After that, I'm taking a small rounded eyeshadow brush and I'm going to put some of that same neon pink just below my waterline. Then taking my Bobbi Brown Black Eyeliner Gel Pot, I'm going to outline my upper and lower waterline. Going back to the light pink shimmery colour we used on the centre of my eyelid, I'm going to highlight my inner corners using a small eyeshadow brush and then I'm going to apply some Faux Mink Eyelashes. Now for the lips, I'm applying some Australis Vevolicious Matte Lipstick in Oh-Saka. And then I'm going to go over that with some Loreal Xtreme Resist 505 lip gloss. To set my look, I'm going to spritz my face with some MAC Rosewater Prep and Prime Spray. Now if you liked what you see and you want to see more, give give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram at Lady Voodoo. I do post photos and mini tutorials there, so go and check it out. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!